We move to the courts now. Proceedings in the VBS Mutual Bank case have again been delayed. That matter, involving the looting of more than 2 billion rand when the bank was liquidated, has now been postponed to the 17th of February next year. Business reporter Ntokozo Khumalo has further details.
The National Prosecuting Authority abandoned its application for leave to appeal against Judge Peter Mabuse's decision to grant Danny Caesar and Kabelo Matsepe a separate trial. Instead, the state raised several questions on whether the judge applied the law correctly.
And the crux of the argument is that your Lordship's approach was not balanced. It ignored the fundamental rights of the community at large for cases like this to be prosecuted in the manner that we prosecute them. It's something I argued during the application. Sometimes you cannot take shortcuts, because shortcuts is not the right way. You need to take the follow the route. And this case, there's a lot of ramifications. We set it out in our papers. We set it out why it's necessary that we put the whole body of evidence before the trial court, so that the court can consider everything, how this whole thing worked. And we are being deprived of that.
The defense team argues that the states did not bring the questions to the judge in time, and that the judge should completely dismiss those questions so that a trial date can be set as soon as possible.
On the issue of whether the questions arose on the trial of the respondents, we submitted the authority we referred your Lordship to, and the interpretation of the phrase we respectfully submit that on this score alone, the application of my learned friend forced to be dismissed, because it did not arise. The questions did not arise on the trial of the respondents. And your Lordship could stop here. Your Lordship need not go any further. But we are going to go further, because there are other issues that your Lordship need to factor in as well.
The matter has now been postponed to the 17th of February 2025. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Pretoria.